Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is just a quick little video, little chat for you guys of a deal that I think you should be doing. Now, we're going to talk about this Dawn Power Wash for 99 cents, which is a phenomenal price point. It's really good and it's very inexpensive. Now, because this has to do with IBOTTA and this is such a hot item, I mean, everybody wants this, I would double, triple check if you're going to do this on Thursday that the rebate is still there. You're under a very tight deadline with this because whenever this guy showed up earlier in the month, people went crazy with it because you're basically getting one of these guys completely for free. So double, triple check if you're going to do this as a curbside or in store that it's there, and you're going to need that receipt also to submit it to IBOTTA. But this is just such a wonderful gift. I think they had this around Labor Day and it disappeared really quickly. So tomorrow morning, before you even put a foot into the store or put an order online, double, triple check that the IBOTTA rebate is there. And if there is a timer, like 4 hours left, you got to do it tit-swit. You can't order it and pick it up after work because the rebate's probably going to be gone. Okay, so the Dawn Power Wash, this is the spray with that cool nozzle. It's $5.99 if you wanted to do it as a curbside pickup. This was the same price in the store a couple weeks back as well, but whatever's the cheaper one, I mean, if you can run your phone in the store and do a curbside pickup, you can do that as well if it's cheaper in store or online. But this is the price is the curbside. And I know that most Walgreens close around 9 o'clock and it's 8 o'clock here right now. So you might be too close to the wire. You might have to order this on Thursday morning. And hey, if you're looking for some clearance, summer in the fun stuff, that's going to be 90% tomorrow. Maybe you can kill two birds with one stone just going to the store, doing this deal and then looking through the fun in the sun stuff. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. If you go to your digital coupons folder, this popped up for me to earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $5, and this is valid for the next 2 days. Yes, I can do the Dawn Power Wash deal in concert with this and get $5 in Walgreens cash. How wonderful is that? This is also a spend off. Let's be mindful of that to use your, debit card, credit card, that sort of thing. Don't use Walgreens cash. Another subscriber got this one, so she would still be in that threshold. It's to earn $5 when you spend $7. Not all cards got this because hubby's card didn't get it. But if you might have this gift, let's look at a deal. You're going to grab 2 of the Dawn Power Washes at $5.99. That's $11.98. I'm going to do this as a curbside, charge it to my debit card. I'm going to get back my $5 in Walgreens cash, that little booster. Plus, I'm going to photograph my receipt to the IBOTTA app and get back $4.99. It shakes it out to $1.99 for the 2 or 99 cents. Remember, we're using a spend booster. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, or it might create a little problem. I know it's a goofy amount, but because this is such a weird booster that showed up, I don't even want to chance it. So $11.98 is not going to break me. So I'm just going to pay that out of pocket. If you have absolutely no special booster for 2 days, here's another one. Grab the 2 power washes for $11.98. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $1.98 out of pocket, and then submit for that $4.99 from IBOTTA. It is a loss of $10 in Walgreens cash, but then you get to try the Dawn Power Wash spray. So if you think this is a deal good for you, perhaps do it or just pass on it. Also, on Wednesday morning, I did get this little booster, which is for next week. So this is starting on the 26th. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So I would load that right away. Both of my store cards got it, but the other one I only got on one store card. So stop the video, go and check if you have both of those. How wonderful is that? Okay, guys, so now we're at the Dollar General, and the refills for these guys are $3.95, and I believe that rebate is working on refills as well. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $7.90. You'd have to pay that out of pocket. Apply for that $4.99 rebate with IBOTTA. It makes it $2.91 for the 2 or $1.45 for each. Now, again, I can't stress it enough. Double, triple check those IBOTTA rebates if it's still there. Sometimes because this is so hot, they tend to disappear very quickly because a lot of people, everybody and their grandmother wants this. So good luck. And obviously, for me, it's 8 o'clock at night. I'm not going to put in a curbside order in case it disappears in the middle of the night. I'm going to try for Thursday morning and then double, triple check my IBOTTA rebates. And then go and get my very inexpensive Dawn Power Wash. How exciting is that? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.